So this problem I just found online. I find it's interesting because I remember that I solved in high school. So yeah, just share with you guys. Before I start, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and yeah, notification button, and leave a comment below. Okay, so let's say x plus 1 over x is -1, right, -1, and you want to compute this. And not only that, I want to ask the general expression. Okay. So this can be solved by using a triangle identity and the Euler formula. Okay, so there are various ways to solve. So let's start in the quickest way. So quickest way is that you notice that you can just write as this, right? So you get this, and you get this by multiply x minus 1, right? So it tells you that x to the 3 is 1. So this guy is divisible by 3, this guy is divisible by 3, so you get 2. Yeah, so, and you can ask about general n. Okay, so let's see. And you notice that since s cubed is 1, right? So this answer will be the same modulo n. So if n is 0 mod 3, which is 0, 0, it basically is 2. If n is 1 mod 3, basically you already compute x1 which is 1, -1. So the only answer is n is equals to 2. We don't know, right? So that's suppose that we want to compute this. Okay, and what? I mean, there is a various way to do this, right? So how about we see this? So we'll try to use this and get this, right? So let's see. So I can write, I can change this to be, let's see this, right? So we need to somehow like using this part to deal with the answer, right? But still notice that since s cubed is 1. 3 is 1, right? So I can write as this, right? And which x squared is minus x plus 1, right? Which is -1, right? Okay. Yeah. So this is the first way, just using this. And the second key points that you can write. Actually, you can write x. You can solve x, right? We will get 2 solutions. But let's assume that you pick the particular one is this, and then you can write as cosine 2 pi divided by 3 because this is half plus I sine 2 pi divided by 3, and then write as exponential 2 pi I divided by 3. So your xn divided by 1 over xn will be exponential 2 pi I divided by 3 times n plus exponential minus 2 pi I divided by 3 times n, which is 2 cosine 2 pi I divided by 3 n. Okay, right? So let's say you choose n equals 0 mod 3. Basically n is 0, you get I think it's 2, right? N equals to 1 mod 3, you get 2 cosine 2 pi divided by 3, which is -1. And then for n equals to 2 mod 3, you get 2 times cosine 4 pi divided by 3. So 4 pi divided by 3 is let's see, right? You can write down an angle, so it's 240 degrees, right? But 240 degrees for cosine is in the 3rd quadrant, right? So this guy still be negative, right? So still be -1. Okay, so notice that the sum of them are 0. So 2 minus 1 minus 1 is 0, right? This is not an accident. I mean, so you guys can think why this is true. Okay, but I just told you that use this way, then one just easily solve 3 cases. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to my channel.